In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Microsoft PowerPoint banner in just 5 minutes. Whether you're designing a unique banner for a presentation or creating a standout header for your website, PowerPoint offers all the tools you need. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to launch PowerPoint on your desktop. This is your starting point, where all the magic happens. Once PowerPoint is open, you can either choose to open an existing presentation or start fresh with a new one. At this stage, feel free to add any photos, tables, or other content that you might want in your banner. It's important to have a clear vision of what you want your banner to look like before you start adjusting the size and design. To proceed, navigate to the Design tab located on the top toolbar. Under this tab, you'll find the option for slide size. Click on it, and then select Custom Slide Size. This step is crucial because it allows you to specify the dimensions of your banner. For instance, a common size might be 16 by 5 inches, but feel free to enter whatever dimensions suit your needs. Once you've input the desired width and height, click OK to apply the changes. Now let's add some visual appeal to your banner. Right-click on the slide and choose Format Background. This gives you the flexibility to add a solid color, gradient, or even a picture as your background. It's a simple way to set the tone for your banner and make it visually engaging. Next, hop over to the Insert tab and click on Shapes. Here, you'll find a variety of options such as rectangles, triangles, or rounded rectangles that you can use to embellish your banner. Draw, resize, and rotate them as needed to fit your overall design. For text elements, head back to the Insert tab and click on Text Box. This tool allows you to create space for any text you want to include. It's adjustable, so play around with the size until it feels just right. Adding images is a breeze with the Insert Pictures option. Select and resize images to fit your banner's layout perfectly. Once your images are in place, you can switch over to the Home tab to modify the font style, size, and alignment of your text to ensure it's visually harmonious with your entire design. If you want to refine your design further, you can right-click on any shapes or text to access Format Shape or Format Text options. Here, you'll be able to tweak fill colors, add outlines, or adjust transparency to achieve the best look. Additionally, you can layer elements by right-clicking and using Bring to Front or Send to Back to arrange objects as needed. Once you're satisfied with your creation, it's time to save it. Click on File and choose Save As. Select your preferred location to store the file. From the Save as Type drop-down menu, pick either JPEG or PNG format. Finally, name your banner and hit Save. You're done. If prompted, choose to save just this one slide. Your personalized banner is now ready to use.